we guide you through how to split screen on Google Meet. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Google Meet and join or start your meeting. Once inside the meeting, open the second app, browser tab, document, or window you want to view at the same time. On Windows, press and hold the Windows key, then press the left or right arrow key to snap Google Meet to one side of your screen. After that, select the second window to fill the other side. If you're using Mac, hover your mouse over the green full screen button at the top of the window, then choose the tile window to left or right of the screen, and select second app for split screen mode. This is perfect if you want to take notes, read documents, watch presentations, or multitask while staying inside your Google Meet call. You can also resize both windows by dragging the center divider to make one side bigger or smaller. If you're using Google Meet on a Chromebook, drag one window to the edge of the screen until it snaps into the place, then select another window for the other side.